Hello friend, welcome to Mechanics Tutorial. Today we are going to learn the beams, concept of beams and the numericals on the beams. This is very important topic from exam point of view because in NSEM examination you will find at least one numerical on beam. Okay, so first of all we will see the types of supports. Here there are three types of supports. इतने आपको करने हैं, यही तीन टाइप के सपोर्ट के ऊपर न्यूमेरिकल्स आते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज रोलर सपोर्ट्स, second one is hinge support and third one is fixed support. So what is basic difference in roller support, hinge support and fixed support that we will see. Okay, roller supports that provides the reactions in only one direction. Okay, जिस डायरेक्शन में मोशन रिस्ट्रिक्ट होती है उस डायरेक्शन में रोलर वहाँ पर आपको रिएक्शंस प्रोवाइड करेगा. Okay, in figure diagram we have to replace this support by the equilibrium reactions. Okay, that means A point पर रोलर will be shown by either like this or like this. तो ये एक ही reactions produce करेगा in this direction. अगर आपका रोलर suppose horizontal है, let's say कि your roller will be like this. Okay, तो your reaction will be what? Like this, perpendicular to the contacting surface, because normal reaction is always perpendicular to the contacting surface. तो आपको यही ध्यान में रखना है कि roller support provide you one reactions that is perpendicular to the contacting surface. Next type of support is hinge support. Hinge restrict the motion of beam in two direction, in horizontal direction as well as vertical direction. So it will provide you two reaction. One is AY, vertical component of reaction, another one is horizontal component of reactions. Okay, so roller एक reaction provide करता है, then hinge will provide you two reactions like this. Okay, now third support is your what? Fixed supports. Fixed support, that means it cannot permit the movement. Okay, तो यहाँ पर again similar to hinge दो reactions आते हैं. First one is AY in vertical direction, AX in horizontal direction plus moment. Okay, moment in opposite to the load direction. Okay, तो यही आपको याद रखना है. Roller support provides one reaction, hinge supports gives you two reactions, while hinge fixed supports provide you two reaction plus one moment. Okay, now types of loads. Okay, ये important है. There are three types of loads majorly. First one is point load. Point load means a load is acting at particular point. Okay, suppose A पर 10 न्यूटन एक्ट हो रहा है, B पर 20 एक्ट हो रहा है, C पर 50 एक्ट हो रहा है and D पर 20. Okay, load acting at particular point is called as point load. Next important one is UDL, uniformly distributed load. Okay, यहाँ पर the unit you have to check, unit is kilonewton per meter, but point load में unit is Newton. So we have to convert this kilonewton per meter into Newton. For that we have to use the geometry. Now here the shape of UDL load is rectangular, and we know that the area under the rectangle is height into length. Okay, तो वो क्या आने वाला है आपका height into length, that is height is W and length is L. Okay, तो यहाँ पर यूनिट ऑफ W इज किलो न्यूटन, यूनिट ऑफ W इज किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर इनटू यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ इज मीटर. So meter get cancel, so unit becomes kilo newton. So in this way we will convert your UDL into point load. Okay, ये WL आ रहा है because shape is of rectangle, and we know that the rectangle CG is always at its center. That means this load is acting at center at a distance of L by 2 for this case. Okay, तो हमेशा याद रखना है to convert UDL into point load, ये आएगा आपका W into L and it acts at its midpoint. Okay, similar way we will converting uniformly varying load into point load. Here load is uniformly varying. Load is uniformly varying. Now shape of this figure is similar to triangle. Now area of triangle हमें पता है, area of triangle is half base into height. Area of triangle is half base into height, and the CG of triangle is somewhere here like this. Okay, it is always L by 3 from larger side. तो इस साइड से ये क्या आएगा 2L by 3. Okay, so L by 3 from larger side और 2L by 3 from smaller side. तो ये WL, half WL will act at CG always. Okay, and that is at a distance of 2L by 3 from one side and L by 3 from another side. Okay, so again you will see the unit of WL will becomes Newton. Okay, meter get cancel, Newton. So what is difference between UDL and UL वो आपको पता चला होगा. Okay, thank you.